Hi, I want to tell you a little bit about Partner with Anthony. Partner with Anthony was started by Anthony Morrison, who has been an entrepreneur, a digital entrepreneur in the online space, has made tens of millions of dollars online, helping other people learn how to make money online. If this is you, then you should really check out this program. I decided to invest in this program a few weeks ago, and I'm about halfway through the program. But part of what I was looking for is really different ways to make money online, especially in this day and age where people are out of work and the world is changing right now. And so to be able to build some residual income and recurring income and cash flow online is a really powerful way to build an asset in your life that will really go with you, build a legacy for your family, and more. So the Partner with Anthony program is a step-by-step 30-session program. You literally take it one step at a time, and he walks you through it. He teaches you how to set up your program and your funnels and your marketing and everything that you do to not only to build, but to grow and to scale your business. So check out the Partner with Anthony program. Click the link below the video, and we look forward to seeing you there. Let's make some money together.